This is Tony with T&E Plumbing. We are at 1150 Verlene Drive. We are hydrojetting and doing a video inspection of the sewer line. We are down in the basement at the main stack. We got the jetting nozzle working the line, and we also have the camera through, trying to get past the point, and for some reason we cannot be going any farther because the camera stops at about this point. So we are going to record the line from this point on, and then we're going to locate wherever that point would be outside in the front yard. It should be close to the sidewalk or curb. It could possibly even be a buried trap that we cannot see. We're also going to try to locate that if possible. So this point is actually about 57 feet from the cleanout. We're gonna start pulling back because we have already tried many times and we cannot get anything past that point. This entire line is holding a little bit of water there, but nothing is backing up. So the camera cannot really catch much. Alright, now we're coming out of the water. We're gonna stop here for a second and start pulling on the jet. Pull back a little. Okay, we're gonna record this. Jet, unfortunately, it will make a little bit too much waving, but keep on pulling that slowly. Yeah, the line is all open, it's clear, there is no cracks, it's all cast iron all the way outside. It's got a few bellies here and there, but other than that it seems in pretty good condition. Unfortunately, where the camera dives under the water, we cannot really see very far. So the belly kind of starts from inside the basement too. Stop this for a second. So we're gonna try and push the camera again one more time. We're gonna shut down the hydrojetting, and we're gonna try and see if the water will allow the camera to see some more. So we'll give it a minute, and then we're gonna continuously go farther without having any water spraying everywhere. So as you can see, there is water somewhere in the line that doesn't allow the camera, and then it's going to come back out again. The hydrojetter shoots out a lot of water, including the pressure, and that's also one of the reasons why it overwhelms the system to where we are not able to keep up with it. But we can see that the pipe is there, and then it starts about 39 feet, about 35 feet from the base of the stack, and it dives. So all this line is open and clear. It just, the water drains relatively slowly due to not having a whole lot of fall. As you can see, so it's barely any water in the pipe. It's not a whole lot of water, but the camera lens is about an inch or so from the bottom of the pipe, and it makes it look like there is more water than what the system can actually handle. Unfortunately, we have something blocking the camera. See if you can run a little bit of water over here. Maybe we can clear this camera. When we're going to pull the jetter out, that's where the pressure is going to also clean everything up, because currently we're in penetration mode. Turn the water on. So currently we are in penetration mode, and we are trying to push as far as we can. On our drawback, we are going to be in cleaning and scraping mode. So hopefully, unfortunately, there is a whole lot of steam in the pipes. Were you running hot water?
Yeah, that was the hot water.
We'll run some cold water. Okay. Unfortunately, we accidentally ran hot water in the sink, and it steamed the entire system, so we are going to run cold water now. Hopefully we can get a lot of that steam out of the way. Okay, yeah, you can see much clearer picture now, even though it's under the flowing water. But the water is literally flying out of those pipes. Unfortunately, there is still a little bit of steam, so run a little bit more cold water. We're gonna see if the cold water will clear all that steam out of there, where our camera can finally show the clear picture of the pipe. Alright, we can see the bottom of the pipe. It's pretty clear. Okay, this is good now. There is still a little bit of steam, but at least we can see the pipe itself, and the pipe is pretty clean. It has a few too many turns. So we will be coming up pretty soon. But the pipe looks in pretty good shape. There is no cracks or anything. Nothing other than way out there in the yard blocking the line. We are coming up the stack right now. So we are up to this stack, and there is the secondary stack over there that we tried earlier. It still goes to the same point. So we're gonna terminate this video. There is nothing else we could see from here. With this we complete the video.